everybody, it's Laura at Vegan RV, and in this video we're going to cover the time in Florida between the cruise, last video, and the RV thing, which was in January. So it's a month or so of us doing a few different things, mostly eating vegan food, but we do go to John Pennekamp and paddle around, so you get to see some cool stuff there. And we also want to highlight a park that we went to that was really lovely, Edward Medard. It just highlights that you should not overlook city and county parks because there's some real gems out there, and a lot of times they're even cheaper than state and national parks, and they're certainly cheaper than private parks. So anyway, I'm gonna let you get to it. We're gonna start off with kind of a distance view of a SpaceX launch. So we're getting ready to watch a SpaceX launch. We're not super close, but we hear...
I mean, we're like 2 hours shy.
Yeah.
2 hours south. Hour and a half south. Hour south.
Let me flip this thing around so we can try and catch it.
Oh yeah, we're here at my parents' place.
What up?
They're rich as hell. It's about to start. 8, 7, 6, 5. There it is. Oh, it's already out there.
Now watch. It looks like it's coming right at you.
Oh yeah.
That's what it says. Holy Christ.
That's it. Oh no, a second. Oh, that's awesome.
Exactly
See it right there?
I'm just saying, holy shit.
Except it was later in the day.
Yeah, it was up at night. Oh, it's getting darker. And he said, that's coming down right at us.
Yeah, there goes our tent screen. See it?
Oh yeah. Wow, that looks awesome. All right, so we came to Aguacante for lunch.
Yeah.
While we're out here at Warby Parker.
What are these, Kevin?
Sack lunches.
Not for us though.
Nope. So Aguacante is also like a little animal sanctuary. So they have to put food to eat, and then you can also feed the animals. So
Yeah, so we're gonna go do that.
Yep.
Bunnies.
Oh my goodness, you two are so cute. There's 4 of them.
Oh my god.
Hey. There's 5 of them, 6 of them.
Hey buddy. We got some treats for you.
Head scratches. Do they just eat out of your hand, or will they bite you?
I think they'll just eat out of your hand. I'll do it first if
You
you'd
do it.
rather.
You do
Okay,
it.
hold on. Are you gentle? All right. They just take it with their tongues. Here.
You gotta get in there, Laura.
Yeah, I
'cause-
know.
Yeah.
Here. Oh. That was a little nipply. Here, who's gentle? Is anybody gentle? Here. Don't be mean. Here. Do you want some? I don't think they want those. Just do that.
Oh, that's
so
such a good
nice.
cow. You're so cute. We don't have anything else.
Some croquettes.
Vegan ham croquettes.
And this is the
Superfood.
Super Bowl. not gonna do it again. So, since we're at John Pennekamp, we're doing one of our favorite things. Paddling! How's it going back there?
Good.
Yay!
So many little fish in the water.
I know. And it's like murky here, so can't wait to get further into the trails and see what we can see.
Let's go.
Phew, we had to do a lot of work to get here. It's a little breezy today, so at least now we're in one of the little channels. And there's Kevin up there. Now we can relax a little bit and just paddle slowly and look for fishes. This is gonna be fun. It's really tight through here. Oh shit! Actually, you can see it on the video, I think. There's a shark down there.
Oh yeah, you're faced the right way because.
Yep. Oh yeah, that's good. Yay!
South Miami, hanging out.
Yep.
2019 into 2019. I was searching through Happy Cow and I came across a spot that Laura said she hasn't been in
10 years?
10 years. Amsterdam falafel. So we've been to the one in DC.
In Adams Morgan.
Yeah, and it's so good. They have a toppings bar. And hopefully they have the holes in the table.
For the cones of fries, which I'm not eating.
Oh, we're not splitting? Alright, let's go.
Yeah. There's some falafels under there. There's Kevin's. Maybe there's some fries.
There's some pitas.
Pita!
Oh yeah.
The mustard colored blue. And the big thing was
What'd you put inside your quesadilla, Kevin?
Vegan steak strips and Violife cheese.
You know have time to wait. Rely on brand new transformative guide in the comments.
All day long, expect your Bay News now. Wherever you go, you'll always be.
What do y'all think of the vegan steak? Dude, it's like it's sure. They asked Marina for a night. Where'd she go?
Down to get alcohol, I'm assuming.
I should have told him no green tea.
Put that Instagram banger.
Dun 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 dun.
So what is what you asked for? Yeah, they gotta be salsa.
The cheesy homies are badass.
cool, right? So at the end there, I didn't mention in the intro, but we went to Tampa Electric after a cold night and got to see loads of manatees there. Unfortunately, none of them were really close up, so I didn't have any really good video of that, but you did get to see that spotted eagle ray and lots of tarpon. So next video, I guess it's going to be the RV thing, and I'll have some highlights from that. I didn't record the whole thing, so we'll see what happens as far as the video goes. If you enjoy our videos, please give it a thumbs up. It helps it get spread around YouTube a little bit better. And if you'd like to see more from us, then subscribe and hit the notification bell, and that way you will find out when we put out new videos, since it's a little bit sporadic. Anyway, miss you guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye!